So dark. All right, gotta meet everyone. Apparently they're already at the gym. All done at the gym. We've got to head down to the chalet, which is this nice walk here. So I've got a call with my members in like 2 minutes, and then we're getting ready for the day. Let's get it done. Yeah. Come on. So we've got to be focused, right? But the message of this morning, ultimately, just get focused on moving away from the hands-on work. How many of you are too big? Gotta go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go back to the flat. Okay, back here by 9.
Is that my bottle of water?
All right, so we've been to the gym. We've come back to our flat. We've got ready. I've even had a little bit of a haircut. It stinks of crisps in here. Absolutely reeks. We've got to go get some food.
It's my favourite.
The group are happy. That's the most important thing, but we need to go and join them. Let's go. This is my life right now. Can you find it? We can't find what we're looking for. We start in like 15 minutes. This is what you don't see. It's what you don't see. You got it? That way.
Yeah. Just normal Dettol spray. Oh, yeah. Just get this.
Okay, we're good. All right, we're here. That's what matters. We're here, right?
Yeah.
We're good.
Good.
Look at this. Just put too much pressure on people straight away. They're not ready. The first thing that I want them to do is actually go out and sell. There's no point building a business around 80% traffic. So instead of saying, I don't know where my next leads are coming from, which is quite a powerful statement, I don't know, I just don't know. We bring it back and say, I need to generate £15,000 next month because that's my target. That means I've got to sell 3 solutions at this amount, another 2 solutions at that amount. That's 5 sales in total. That works out to be just over 1 sale per week. In order to achieve those sales, where's my market? Where are they hanging out? What lead gen can I do for that market? How can I add value? And therefore, once I add value, how can I attract them? And then how can I convert them? Because conversion strategy is where 90% of businesses go wrong. Yeah. It's all about conversion. Everybody can get leads. Very few people can get conversions.
Get the leads, but I'm not doing conversions.
There you go. That's it. Day 1 is finished. Everyone is in there at half-time watching the football. Jamie's here.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Hold on a second. There is no work talk right now. Everyone's just tense watching the football or not watching the football. You all right? See you tomorrow.
Subscribe.